How to make the standard shirt collar. First of all, take the measurement around the neckline of the fabric that you're going to be using. So for me here, I had 14.5 inches. Then what I'm going to be doing is to fold the fabric like this. Then mark out that 14.5 inches, okay, including half inch. Then I'm gonna cut it out to this other side. Then mark out 3 inches. For this point, I made use of 2 inches, but no, I later noticed it was quite small. So use 3 inches, that would just be the best. Then go ahead and cut it out. Fold it together like this. Place it back on the table and then make a curve on top of that point. The next thing you're going to be doing is to open it up like this and then cut it open at the lower part. Now from that point that we curved, just mark in 1 inch at that point. Then from that point that we marked, take a measurement from that point to the last part, and for me I had 6.5 inches. Then I'm gonna fold my tape like this, and with that I'm going to be having 13 inches. So I'm going to fold the fabric again like this, and then I'm going to be marking out that 13 inches, but this time I'm going to be including 2 inches. Okay, so that will now make it 15 inches. So I'm going to fold this over like this, and then I'm going to mark 4 inches at the center. So I'm doing this because I just want to have a straight line, but I definitely need the 4 inches for this. So on the lower part, I'm just going to mark in 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect that 1 inch to the beginning of the fabric. Then you're just going to cut it out. From that point that we just cut out, just mark 1 inch upwards. Then after that point, on this other area, you're going to mark 2.5 inches inward. Then you're going to connect the lines together and then cut it out. Go ahead and iron on interfacing on this now if you want to be using an interfacing. Open it up like this and then sew down using an ½ inch all the way around. Then turn it over. The next thing is for you to, if you want to top stitch, go ahead and do that now. Then notch it at the center and also notch the other one also at its center. Then place this other part inside the other longer one and then pin it down, and also pin the other sides down. Then go ahead and close this part using 0.3 inches. Then once you get to this other part, use ½ inch. Then once you get to the other part, return back to 0.3 inches. Then you flip it all the way around and then iron it down. So once you iron it down, make sure to iron in your ½ inch inwards, okay? So it's going to be easy for you. The next thing is to attach the collar to the shirt. So once you pick your collar like this, insert your shirt inwards using ½ inch. So once you have ironed down your ½ inch inwards inside the collar, it's going to be easy for you. So just go ahead and then sew it down. Then iron it, and after that you should have something like this. So at this point, go ahead and insert your buttons, and please share this video if it was useful. Please don't forget to follow me on my YouTube page at Ronishiet for more tutorials like this. Thank you guys.